is Chef Shay, and today I thought it would be cool to do some wings. Who doesn't like chicken wings? I know I do, but with a twist. So these chicken wings, I'm going to use my sugar spice. You know, all my products you can use for different things. So the sugar spice, so these are going to be like caramelized, like with the sugar spice, which has you know, a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of cardamom. I thought this would be cool for fall. It has your brown sugar in there. So it's a mixture of all kinds of different warm spices that we like in the fall. We're gonna put a couple other little things in there to give it a little spicy kick, but I thought this would be cool. These are gonna be oven baked, but we're still gonna have that crispiness. So let's get started with this recipe. And I have a teaspoon of seasoned pepper. We're gonna use a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Use a teaspoon of garlic powder. Little chunks of onion powder in here. And then we're gonna do the main event here. We're gonna do we have a half a cup of sugar spice. And we're gonna put some pepper flakes in here. You just do however many you want. You could do probably a half a teaspoon or whatever your heat content is. And then we're gonna whisk all this together. Roll our chicken. So I have some peanut oil, but you can use olive oil, grapeseed oil, whatever kind of oil you want to. And I'm just gonna oil my chicken. So I'm just gonna go in here. It's already been washed and dried, and you do want your chicken to be all dry. Of course you wanna wash it, and then you do want it to dry it. So I dried it with a paper towel. Nice and oiled. And you don't have to put a lot of oil on it, so I would say maybe a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of oil. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna roll it in the mixture. And the reason why I'm rolling it is because I want to make sure it gets nice and coated with the seasoning, the sugar spice mixture. You're just gonna continue to do this. And you can use your hands, but I use gloves because I don't really like the feel of chicken or raw meat of any sort. And you don't want them close to each other. Okay, y'all, so our chicken wings, I just put in the oven at 375. So they'll cook for about 45 minutes. So at about 20 minutes in, I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over, and then we'll cook the other side. So about 40 to 45 minutes, give or take, how big your chicken is or how hot, you know, hot your oven is. It should be at 375, but we'll go in and we'll flip them. Okay, y'all, so now it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip the chicken. Look how crisp it is getting. Look how nice sugar spice. It smells good too. All right, so we're gonna do it for another about 20-25 minutes. Our sugar spice wings are ready. It's been about 20 to about 25 minutes. We're taking them out. I have to be careful because there's sugar in here. So I put it down to about 350, 375 to 350. What you see. And they feel real sticky. So yeah, here we go. And this is another little glaze that I took. So I took the rest of the spices that we use and I just melted a little butter. And you can just glaze your chicken with it to get another depth of flavor on there. And this is just the seasonings and the butter. And I'm just sapping up in there. And you could put this in a pan as you want to. I just want to show you. And this will be in the optional in the recipe. When I do the recipe on the website, this will just be an optional thing that you could do. Because you could actually eat them just like that, you know, just without the glaze. And they're still delicious. But if you want just another little wetter, you know, spicier and some more, you can put that on there. So I got my sugar spice chicken wings out, so it's nice and crispy, sticky, and it's hot too. Sorry y'all. Let me taste one more time. Let me taste one more time. Now I'm gonna tell you. I'm laughing because there's this thing on TikTok that says how black people eat hot food. The sugar spice wings. To get this recipe, you can go to DivineKuizine.com. It'll be up there. It's gonna be the sugar spice wings. And like I said, you could even do this like on your pork. And like I said, you could even do this like on your pork if you eat pork. I mean, it's really good, y'all. And it was really easy. Thanks.